Welcome back, PeiPei Coin holders. There's a very big update you need to hear. The meme coin market is still heating up in 2025, and coins like PeiPei are making a strong return. Last year, in 2024, we saw the meme coin season explode, and now season 2.0 could be starting again. That's why so many new meme coins are entering the market, and the hype is still going strong. Before we go further, remember this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any crypto project. And if you haven't joined us on Telegram yet, check the link in the description. A lot of people are missing important news updates that we post there. Now let's talk about PeiPei Coin. This coin launched in 2024 and got a strong price jump during the early meme coin wave. After that, it went through a healthy correction phase, but now, signs are showing that a new trend might be starting again. So it's a good idea to keep PeiPei on your watch list and follow its movements closely. It could be a good opportunity if the second rally picks up. The first season for PeiPei is still ongoing, and because it launched early in the meme cycle, it had enough time to build momentum. Many meme coins that dropped in price are now showing recovery, and PeiPei might be next. It's like getting a second chance, and it could perform well again if the market supports it. Along with PeiPei, there's another meme coin worth watching called Apu. Apu also launched in 2024 and had a good early jump like PeiPei. But when we look at sentiment, Apu actually seems to have stronger market sentiment right now. That doesn't mean PeiPei isn't strong. Both coins are showing potential. So if you're looking to invest with a longer-term view, maybe by the end of 2025, then both PeiPei and Apu are worth researching. Keep them in your list, monitor the market trends, and make informed decisions. That's it for today's update. Like if you found this useful, and subscribe to stay up to date with more crypto news. Take care, and see you in the next video.